And when people started in this, very simply, they were told, put in the work, put in the time, put in the effort, and if you don't have the money, just wait. If you want to work at it, you want to put the time into it, you want to put the effort into it, you will be able to upgrade. So on that thought process, everybody should be using, one, they should be using their money to upgrade, but just the idea is upgrade. It's going to pay you back. People aren't understanding that. They're not understanding the true value of what this is. So I think that there's a much bigger value that people aren't quite seeing. And is it worth it? Well, I tend to look at it as this. If you are someone who is trying to learn English, and we've talked to enough people that $15 to $25 an hour is how much you spend for a tutor, but Webtalk is asking you to pay $20 a month, and you get unlimited access to conversations and classes and whatever you really want. I don't understand why people aren't upgrading. And I wanted to make this very clear. This is not about, oh, if people would upgrade, then I would make money. We're going to make money. Everyone's going to make money. It doesn't matter. What I look at this is why aren't you doing this to help yourself? Why aren't you doing this right now to give yourself the opportunity to create something huge? Somebody didn't pay anything, got in, did their work, did their time, did everything, and now they're able to use the money that they made to buy a pro package. I mean, that's huge. That's awesome. That's so great to hear that people are doing so well. And I don't care what country it is. I really don't. It's valuable. Ask Erdy. Is it valuable? Yes. Ask Arsh. Is it valuable? Yes.